Hello, my name is Carla Hernandez, and today I will be presenting my energy house. The challenge for this was to make my house more energy efficient. For this, I had to brainstorm. I went through a lot of brainstorming. During this process, I was able to learn more about each material. I was also able to learn that from the top of the house to the bottom of the house, the temperature can differ. So now let's get into the actual part of building this project. Door. For the door I use weather stripping foam. This helps keep any cracks or any wind coming from outside of the house. This helps keep the temperature right. I also made sure my door was of 10 by 20 centimeters. Windows. I insulated my window with the doll-like texture for both windows to protect from weather stripping from the outside. Both windows are 10 by 10 centimeters. This helps prevent air infiltration and it seals the windows. Wall, ceilings, and floor. The floor I insulated was designed with two materials. The foil and the bubble help prevent the downward heat flow and humidity. Bubble wrap and foil acts as like a thermal, and it keeps the cold and the heat depending on how you want your temperature to be. Walls. I use paper like insulation to cover all four walls. This kind of material is recycled and it prevents airflow and it keeps heat outside during summer and cold outside during winters. This is a very eco-friendly insulation and is not expensive. Ceiling. I use wood-like blanket material for the ceiling. This is good for insulating irregular shaped areas. This makes great coverage and balances out the temperature. Insulation is a very important factor when it comes to efficiency and conservation. This helps provide the right amount in each part of your home to keep the energy and save a lot of money. Temperature change. For this part, I had to put ice cubes in a bag and put it inside the house. And first I had to record my initial temperature. My initial temperature was 30 degrees Celsius and my final temperature was 21 degrees Celsius. The first picture is a picture of my initial temperature, and the second picture is a diagram showing how to measure temperature and a stick-on thermometer. Here are some ways of how I made my home more efficient, and once it's complete, how you can have more conservation inside the house to conserve energy. Here I place the 8 ice cubes inside the house. I kept the 8 ice cubes in there for 10 minutes. I checked in back and I finally checked the final temperature. I took my ice cubes out. I was happy with the outcome. It dropped 9 degrees Celsius down. Inside felt cold once I took out the ice, and I decided to record how it looked. In my video, I hope you enjoy it and have a safe summer.